how to change voice on Messenger call. So if you want to change your voice on Messenger call, then what you need to do is first you just need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Messenger application. Now, after opening your Messenger, you just need to simply go with your call, which will be on the top right. So just simply go with the chat and then go with call. Now, once you go with the call, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to go with the three dots, which will be on the top right. And from there, as you can see that you will have call settings. So you just need to go with audio output. And even after going with the audio output, you will only have phone and speaker options, but you won't find an option to change your voice on your Messenger call. So let me tell you that Facebook Messenger has no option to change your voice on Messenger. The only option that you can use to change your voice on your Messenger and send it to the person is to go to the Play Store on your device. Once you're on your Play Store, you need to go with search, which will be in the bottom. And from here, you just need to simply go and search for a voice changer application. After searching for voice changer, you will have a lot of applications that will help you to change your voice on your call. But there is no built-in voice changer on your Messenger application. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.